Welcome to Supercar, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews, car comparisons, and the latest in the automotive world. Today, we are diving into the 2025 Ferrari 812, an icon in Ferrari's lineup that continues to evolve with unmatched performance, engineering, and design. Before we get into the specs and features of the 2025 model, let's take a quick look at its background. The Ferrari 812 traces its roots back to the Ferrari F12 Berlinetta, a front-engine V12 masterpiece that set a new benchmark for Ferrari's Grand Tours. With the 812 Superfast in 2017, Ferrari took this legacy to new heights, combining breathtaking speed with advanced aerodynamics and driver-focused technology. The 2025 Ferrari 812 follows this trajectory, further refining the experience of driving one of Ferrari's most powerful Grand Tours. Now let's jump into the specifics of the 2025 Ferrari 812. At the heart of this beast is a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, delivering an impressive 830 horsepower and 530 pound-feet of torque. This engine remains a focal point of the 812's appeal, offering raw power that propels the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds. It has a top speed of over 211 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest Ferraris to date. The sound of this V12 is iconic, providing that signature Ferrari roar that enthusiasts love. One of the standout features of the 2025 Ferrari 812 is its active aerodynamic system, which has been further enhanced for better downforce and stability at high speeds. Ferrari has employed its latest innovations to ensure that the 812 delivers excellent handling, whether on the track or on winding roads. The rear-wheel drive system paired with Ferrari's 4-wheel steering technology makes cornering sharp and responsive, while the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission ensures smooth and quick gear changes. Inside the 812, Ferrari has not compromised on luxury. The interior is driver-centric, with a combination of high-quality materials, including leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber. The digital display and infotainment system have been updated for 2025, offering better connectivity options, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The steering wheel is designed with integrated controls, giving the driver easy access to vital functions without taking their hands off the wheel. For safety, the 2025 Ferrari 812 is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems. While the Ferrari experience is focused on performance, the inclusion of features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a 360-degree camera system ensures the car is as safe as it is fast. These features are designed to give drivers peace of mind while enjoying the thrilling experience the 812 provides. To sum up, the 2025 Ferrari 812 combines heritage, innovation, and unrivaled performance in a package that is quintessentially Ferrari. From its roaring V12 engine to its cutting-edge technology, the 812 remains at the pinnacle of grand touring excellence. If you are a fan of fast cars and Ferrari's unmatched craftsmanship, you'll definitely want to keep an eye on this model. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated with the latest car reviews, features, and comparisons, don't forget to subscribe to Supercar and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.